Politics should be in the service of the people. Politics should not be in the service of one party, should not be in the service of one person, certainly. Kung mamumulitika tayo dahil meron tayong gustong gawin, halimbawa, may isang tao gustong tumakbo, kahit na anong elective position, maging barangay captain, mayor, kung ano man, dapat naman, ang dahilan kung bakit sila tatakbo ay nais nilang tumulong. Ako ganyan, kaya ako tumakbo, kaya ako pumasok sa politika. Dahil nalulungkot ako sa mga nakikita kong pangyayari. Dahil masakit sa loob ko na makita naghihirap ang mga Pilipino. At naisip ko, siguro naman may kaya akong gawin para makatulong. Sa palagay ko, yan ang tamang dahilan kung bakit isang tao ay papasok sa politika. And your interest in history is very, very, very important. Because we have much to learn from history. And the history that has been made a long, long time ago, and the history that's being made now, all of this is important. We just have to realize that politics actually is a constant. Problem is, now with the technology that we have, mahirap talagang makatingin kung ano yung fake news, ano yung totoo. It's really up to you. Huwag kayong magbabasa yung isa lang bagay. Basahin nyo lahat. Ang turo sa akin ng lola ko, sabi niya, magbasa ka ng kahit na ano. At ikaw nang bahala na mangilatis kung ano yung maganda at hindi, ano yung hindi tama. And that's what you have to do. That's what history can guide us with. Because we have experienced this before. Politics is essentially about the human condition. It is about an ideology that you hold dear, a principle that you will not compromise, so that you can help the people, so you can be of service to the people. Not to yourself, not to your party, not to your family, but for the people.